The effects of bulging and permeability on the stability of the ships. What is bulging? Bulging happens when water enters a ship compartments due to damage, leakage, or accidents. Loss of buoyancy. When a space is flooded, water replaces the air that provided buoyancy. This reduces the ship's ability to stay afloat and causes it to sink deeper into the water. If the flooded volume is large enough, it can lead to excessive draft and risk of total submersion. Change in center of gravity and buoyancy. Flooding shifts the center of buoyancy, the center point of the upward force from water. It may also alter the center of gravity if water moves freely inside the hull. This imbalance creates a lift or heel to one side. Free surface effect. If water flows unconfined within the damaged space, it shifts as the ship rolls or pitches. These movements creates a continuous shift in weight, reducing stability and making the vessel prone to capsizing. Beam changes. Flooding at the bow or astern changes the ship's trim, the angle along its length, affecting its maneuverability and speed, and increasing stress on the hull structure.
Next is permeability. Permeability refers to the ratio of empty space within a compartment compared to its total volume. It measures how much water can enter a space after damage. Impact on flood volume. High permeability means there is more empty space. Example, holds with light cargo, machinery space. So more water can enter. This increases the loss of buoyancy and stability. Low permeability, such as spaces filled with heavy or solid cargo, limits water entry and reduces negative effects. Stability calculation. Naval architects use permeability factors when designing ships and calculating stability limits. These values ensure that safety margins are sufficient even if compartments are breached. Regulatory compliance. International standards like the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea or SOLAS set required permeability values for different species to guarantee the ship remains stable and safe under damaged conditions.